Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to operate this item. Okay, this is the adapt and this is the screw and the gasket for the bottom. You can screw on, and this is the remote control, and this is the cable, and here you can see a screw too, and which you can connect here and screw on. Okay, and this is the clamp. You can connect the stand. Okay, here I will show you how to connect. And you can also disconnect this clamp by screw here, as you can see. Okay, without screw you cannot disconnect it, right? Okay, and here you can see here is the built-in cables. You can stretch it very long. Okay, and here you also can lock this part, connect this part and this part, lock it. Okay, here I will show you how to do it by screw it. Okay, see? Oh, sorry, one more time. Here now we cannot separate them, right? Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, now we are going to connect the power on. Okay, and normally we need to activate it before we use it by press these two sensor, and this one I already activated. You need to press here for around 20 seconds, and this one I already activated, so we can text. See, I lose my hand. Here we're on. Then we unlock the unlock, and here same. Okay, and this one also have the charging the charge function. See, we connect the phone. See, now it's charging, and after we take off the cable it will arm too. Okay, unlock. It's arm too. Okay, yeah, that's all.